Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Pyroar from Pokemon. From the center of our page, we're going to move over to the right and start with the upper eyelid. Starting from the top on the left, we're going to curve down and then in. We're going to leave a small gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up and then out. From the outside of the eye, we're going to curve down and then back up in the center. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add some detail to the inside of the eye. So from the top, we're going to curve out and then down. Now we're going to move in and draw on the iris. So it's a half oval, starting from the top, curve down, and then back up. Along the top, we're going to draw a small oval and fill that in black for the pupils. From the inside edge of the eye, starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then out toward the left, and then the right. We're going to connect those 2 points with a curve, the top edge of the nose. Now let's take the corners of the nose and curve down and then in towards the center. From the outside edge of the eye, I'm going to curve in and then down. Then from here, we're going to curve up towards the center of the nose. Let's add in the chin. From the corner of the mouth, we're going to curve down and in towards the middle, and then back up on the right side. Let's add in the side of the jaw. Starting from the outside of the eye, we're going to curve around and then pull that in. From the top corners of the eye, I'm going to curve up towards the top of the head, curving up and then in. And then from here, we're going to curve down towards the center point. From the top points, we're going to step in. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and out toward the left, and then the right. And then from here, we're going to curve in towards the center. From the tip of the hair, we're going to curve in and then down. Now we're going to add a large curl for the mane. Starting from this point, we're going to step up, and curve down, and we'll just pull that up. From the tip, we're going to curve down and then in towards the side of the head. So we start by going out, and then rounding this out, and then in. Let's add some detail to the inside. Starting from the outside of the head, we curve up, down, and then flick it up at the end. Now I'm going to curve down and blend in with the bottom of this curve here. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's add the lower part of the mane. Starting on the outside here, curve out, we're going to pull that in. I'm just going to swirl this around and up. Do the same thing on the right side. I'm going to add some fur detail along the bottom. Starting from the tip, we're going to curve down and then in. Now I'm going to layer this over, so we're going to step over, curve down, and we're just going to pull that up towards the bottom point of the chin. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Start with that first curve, step out, curve around. Now we're going to aim towards the bottom point of the chin. Then we're going to add some detail along the bottom. Starting from this bottom curve, we're going to curve up, pull it in, and then back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, in, and then up underneath the chin. Now we'll add the center part of the mane. Starting on the left side, curve down, in. Now we're just going to pull that down. We're gonna add some fur. I'm just gonna hook this up. About halfway down here, we're gonna curve out and up underneath the right side. Now from here, we're gonna draw the front legs in behind the mane. So starting on the left side, just on the outside here, we're gonna curve in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. From here, we're gonna curl the first toe. Coming down, rounding this out, and then hooking that back. We're gonna do this 2 more times along the side. Starting from the inside, we're gonna curve around and then hook that back. Do that 1 more time, curving around and then in. Now from here, we're gonna taper the leg up so it gets thinner as we come up, curving up and in underneath the mane. Now the leg on the right is gonna be angled downwards. Starting underneath the mane here, we're gonna curve down and then in behind the front foot. In behind here, we're gonna draw that first toe, curving around and hooking that back. Draw that 2 more times. Now from here, we're gonna taper this back up, curving up and in underneath the mane. About halfway down the leg, we're gonna add a zigzag pattern. Starting on the left, we're gonna come down at an angle, go up, down, and then up. So we have 2 points along the bottom. We're gonna do the same thing on the right. From here, we're gonna move to the back and draw on the hind legs. So we're gonna start with the paws first. So we're gonna move across to right about here. We start at the heel, swirl around, and then back up. Draw another toe, going around, and then hooking that back. Do that 1 more time. From the top of this toe, we're gonna hook this up and back over towards the left. Now we're gonna draw on the front of the thigh. We're gonna do a hard turn, curving in, rounding this out, and then up. Now let's move to the back of the heel. Now I'm gonna curve this up towards the back, going up, and then hooking that back out. From here, we're gonna curve around and then back out. Going in, and back out towards the left. Now we're gonna add some fur along the upper thigh. Starting up here, we're gonna curve in and then down. I'm gonna step up, curve up and out. I'm gonna bring this down again, coming down, a little bit lower. Now we're gonna step up to create another overlap, curve up, and then hook this down towards the inside of the thigh. In between the hind leg and the front leg, we're gonna draw on the belly. Starting down here, come down, and then back up. Now we're gonna move up and draw on the back. So from this point, we're gonna step back, we're gonna hook this up, and then over. We're gonna step back to create an overlap, hook up. From here, we're gonna step down, hook over again. Now this is gonna curve in behind the mane, coming down, and then in. Now you see a little bit of the back leg in behind the belly and the legs. So right up here, we're gonna come down and then out. We're gonna curve over towards the right and then down towards the heel. And then from here, it's gonna curve down in behind the front leg. The final thing we're gonna do is add the tail. So in behind the fur, curve out, back over towards the right. Now we're gonna go back towards the left and then hook it up at the end. From here, we're just gonna taper this back down. Now we're gonna curve in the opposite direction towards the tip of the tail, going out toward the left and then back over towards the right. From here, we're gonna taper this in and just follow that same curve going in behind the body. So it gets narrower. Now we're just gonna follow along, leaving an even space gap all the way in. And then along the top, we're just gonna separate out the tip, curving across and then down. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Pyroar from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.